So if you're watching parts move through a production line, or even just looking at a snapshot of where parts are at any given moment, you can reveal bottlenecks, whether that's due to an imbalance with an operation taking longer than other upstream or downstream operations, or things like a machine that's going down too often. When an operator can see what types of parts are approaching their workstation and when that will change, they can improve the accuracy of the operation by being prepared before the part gets to them. If you're flagging quality issues, you can also track where those issues started and how long it takes for a rejected part to make its way to a repair area, all of this reducing misbuilds. Similarly, a well-prepared operator will be more efficient at their operation than one that's needing to scramble for the correct tool or component. You can also see improvements in productivity at a more macro scale by knowing better how you can allocate the operators to workstations. When there's complexity of part types, workstations will inevitably need deliveries of components. So being able to see where different types of parts are on the line allows everyone on the plant floor to be more prepared for these delivery needs rather than needing to react and potentially stop the line when the need comes up. So that's reducing the emergency line-side deliveries. Once you have the underlying data recorded for a production line, you can also play back that data in a visualization to show how a particular shift went if you're trying to figure out why your production numbers weren't as high as they usually are, or if you're trying to see how the current line performs and a new model is introduced, for a few examples. So playback of historical scenarios can let you know how things already went, and then you can tie that into the simulation of changes in the process. So if you're trying to see what went wrong in the actual data that got recorded, you can then try simulating the line in a different scenario and see if that might be alleviating it. And then putting all of that together, part flow visualization lets you plan better for the future, from regular operations to logistics to changes to the